Okay, guys, I'm here with Terence, and he has his guitar, and he was playing some music, and he's gonna tell you a little story about him and anything else he wants you to know. He is a Christian, and he let me know that, and I let him know I am too. So go ahead, take it away, man. Tell us who you are and all that stuff.
Well, my name's Terence. I live here in Bearskin Neck. This is my house. We're artists, my wife and I. And what was your name again?
Rachel.
Rachel just asked me to play a song, the original. So the reason I'm going to share this song is I don't write many of my own songs, but this one I didn't really write. It was given to me by God. Sometimes you just get it like a download out of the well, you know what I mean, right?
Yes.
Out of the well, everything's in the well.
Yes.
You want a heart, maybe sometimes it gives you one, sometimes it gives you a new perspective on things. So anyways, I was at this mission group out in Springfield for a 3-day walk the streets, pray with people, and just, love on people. So met this guy named Doug, and he had come up to join the group. He wasn't a Christian at the time, and he was an ex-Marine. Tried to kill himself. He was a heroin addict, and he put a gun in his mouth. Tried to pull the trigger, and it was the first time his gun never went off. And he was like, well, something's going on here. And he happened to be on YouTube and came upon this mission. So he drove from New Jersey up to be part of it. He felt compelled to come. Well, there was some prayer healing going on, and I had been prayed over a week before, and my feet were healed by some folks through Jesus. And I saw the same people praying over him, so I stopped and I was listening in, and he got hit with the Holy Spirit big time. And he was just gone, undone, his back healed, everything.
Wow.
So I was staying at the same hotel with him by coincidence, and there was a bunch of gals who were sitting around him because he was still undone, completely undone. It's just weeping and loving, that kind of, what happens when the Holy Spirit comes.
Yes.
So he decided he wanted to get baptized. So the girls asked La Quinta Hotel if they could use the pool. And I came walking through, and I had seen him earlier in the day. And they were like, the girls were like, hey, you have a guitar. Do you play? I was like, yeah, a little. I don't really, but so they asked if I would play for his baptism in the morning, so I got to play this song, and I think it's why I got it.
Great.
I don't know if you can hear the wind.
I hope so.
Another song for you, I'll pour my heart into. Love you give away, won't fade away, 'cause you're here in my heart. Such a fine place to start. Mercy and grace, your Jesus, Savior of the world. Are these the cops? These guys are all the cops from around the country. Been in service. So another time has come to sing praises to the one high on his throne. Let it be known for those who love his son. We call the chosen one. He's full of mercy and grace. He's my Jesus, Savior of the world. When the time has come, I'll sing praises to the one. Oh, there's another verse. Another song for you. I'll pile them high to break through. This blue canopy that's holding me, tethered to this earth, and you show me what I'm worth with your mercy and grace. Your Jesus, you're my Jesus,
Wow.
Savior of the world.
Yes.
So that kind of was a dump that on me in one session.
I
but-
think he wanted you to do something with that. Put
Yeah.
that into a record or something.
Well, we used to do a little. I have a thing called Jetty Walk with Jesus.
Uh-huh.
It's my own little thing I do here. This is the jetty. People come by. I like to talk about them.
Okay. Oh, good.
You know, talk about scripture and just being a sinner saved by the grace, right?
That's right. That's right. That's all right. So you're out here doing the work.
Yeah.
So you told me this is you and your wife's place.
Yeah.
So tell us the name of the place, the address, and what do you sell inside your store?
Well, we call it Jetty Walk
Uh-huh.
and Jetty Walk Arts. We make pretty much everything that's in here. I paint.
Let me get a
You're
picture
welcome
of
to
what
pop-
he
You're
does.
welcome to pop in the gallery if you want to take a quick walk.
Oh, I can?
Yeah, come on, let's
Okay, we're going to go in the gallery,
I'm on-
guys.
Actually, this is a cool story. This shirt, this is the Trinity, fishes of men.
Oh,
Right.
okay.
So a friend of mine actually had a dream that she was supposed to start a gift store called Yahweh Gifts.
Uh-huh.
And then when I started hanging out at the Coffee House Church, she had a dream that we should give it to us so we could start talking about Jesus in our shop. So this
Nice.
is like the three fishes of men,
Yes.
the three Trinity,
Yes.
Holy Spirit.
Let me
you know.
get this vase here. Oh, did you draw this? The vase?
Yeah, well, I made it, but my wife paints on them. It's one of
Really?
her paintings here.
And what about all these paintings I'm looking at?
These are photographs that I make.
Oh, you're a photographer as
Yeah,
well.
and I do all the jewelry that's in the windows.
Okay. Let's get a picture of the jury.
And it's all like upcycle stuff, you know. We don't need any
Uh-huh.
blood diamonds in our gallery, you know what I mean?
Okay. And this picture, who drew this?
My wife Leslie, that's a painting.
His wife drew this painting. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, we're going in the
Actually, hey, you
gallery
know what?
now.
And these are our Jetty Walk with Jesus. These are my Jetty Walk with Jesus shirts, Lion and the Lamb. We make these.
Okay, so they make these t-shirts, Jetty Walk with Jesus
Yep.
symbols.
Yep, the Lion and the Lamb.
The lion and the lamb.
And so I do. Well, these are my paintings, which are
Oh, let's
So
take
they-
a picture of the paintings.
they're all colorful abstraction. You know, I kind of want people to feel like there's a celebration going
Uh-huh.
on, you know, and like I come up with the way I think interesting titles that sort of help clarify them for me.
Nice.
And I'm into making little funny things I find on the beaches. And
Oh, you made this?
yeah,
Look, guys, he made this.
he's like a little lantern.
Oh, nice. Now you're not gonna find that anywhere.
No, they're all just stuff I find. And then these are my photographs.
Okay.
And
And these is his photos that he takes.
Actually, you know, so cool. Talk about God, you know. These are spider webs. Come on, in the fog, you know.
Oh,
So
okay.
it's like talk about God knowing how to make it beautiful.
Uh-huh.
So
And did y'all make this jewelry?
The jewelry, this jewelry all my wife made. I make the more the goofier stuff. She makes all this all comes off our beaches. All the sea glass comes from our beaches.
Right from the beach, this jewelry is.
Yep, right here.
Isn't that something?
And my son and my wife make the t-shirts. We make them out of real fish.
Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, it's to put a fish there and
Yeah,
do that?
we wrote some fish.
Wow. We got some more artifacts over here and jewelry.
Yeah. And then my wife does these beautiful paintings. She just started painting again. These are her paintings,
Okay.
which I think are stunning.
And his wife,
Leslie.
Leslie,
Yeah,
drew
those are her.
these paintings here on the wall.
And then
Wow,
our son,
she's
actually, then our son
talented.
Ivan, these are his faces. Today's his birthday, actually.
It's my birthday today.
Oh, really? Hey, happy
Yes,
birthday.
thank you. Wow, he's good people, Cancer.
Yeah, he's a good boy.
Okay.
So yeah, so this is my little space.
Thank you. Let me cut off now.